2-quart camp Dutch oven for campfire or fireplace cooking. Seasoned cast iron ready to use. Cast iron lid inverts for use as griddle. Made in USA. 8-inch diameter by 3-inch deep. Measures 8 inches in diameter and 3 inches deep, lifetime warranty. Regarding the chip in the finish of the product, it is a result of seasoning the pan in production. The cookware is hanging as it rides on a conveyor through the seasoning process. As it rides through the seasoning tunnel, an electrostatic sprayer applies a natural vegetable oil seasoning to the pan. As the pan passes through the seasoning ovens, the seasoning oil can sometimes collect into a small bubble at the lowest point of the pan, and as it's heated in the seasoning ovens, that bubble can develop a baked-like surface. That surface can sometimes flake and reveal a brownish color beneath. The brownish color is not rust but caramelized seasoning baked onto the iron itself and disappears with use. It is inherent in the seasoning process and not a defect. Top reviews from the United States. What size do you need? I love my 3 cast iron pots. 8, 10, 12, I've bought. I had so much fun camping with them that I've begun using them regularly at home. We had a gas grill that leaked gas and was bound for the dump before I had a brain zing. I took out the gas canister, racks, and inserted an iron floor. Neighbor cut it for me. My husband sanded it and painted it with a high-heat stove paint. I set it outside my kitchen door and now cook often using my cast iron. Keep the heat outside. It's like cooking in the slow cooker but faster. Did I say I love it? Something I wish someone had said while I was looking. The 4 quarts is perfect for a stew, etc. For me, my husband and teen daughter with enough left for lunch for my husband. It's the equivalent to my 5-quart slow cooker. If my teen stomach, meant to say son, eats with us, I switch to the 12. It is also needed for large pieces of meat like an entire chicken cut in half, pork loin for barbecue, or baking pies, bread. The 2 quarts is just enough for my husband and myself or for cobblers, etc. I use my 10 the most and would have with the 4 of us when my kids were young, too. I use my other cast iron Dutch oven, without legs, on my wood stove during the winter. With my slow cooker and cast iron, my poor oven feels neglected. Hope this helps.